Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to make some curry lamb, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new over here. Thank you so very much for watching. Now my lamb is seasoned and ready for the oil. Look at that bright, vibrant color from that curry powder. Now in my bowl I got garlic, onion, scallion, pimento leaf for my oil. Whenever I'm burning curry, I always love to add just a little bit of that fresh season into that oil, just the same, you know, and allow this to be translucent. It is going to give that beautiful aroma that we are always looking for. Once you saute all of this until translucent, then you add your curry powder and bring all those flavors together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my lamb to the pot. Now remember, it's the same thing as usual. Do not add water when you add your meat into the pot. You put your meat into the pot, give that a stir, and then allow it to sweat its own water. Okay, y'all, allow it to sweat its own water, give that a quick stir, and just leave it, close it and leave it. Now after about 10 to 15 minutes, look at the water that's running from the cover. This is the reason why I said do not add water, because your meat is going to sweat its own water. So just leave the meat, give it a quick stir again, and just cover it once more. All right, cover it and leave it alone. It won't burn, just cover it. All right. Now here we go again. I still didn't add any water after about a couple more minutes. As you can see, I'm showing you all the water that springs from our meat. So that's why I said do not add water. Just allow your meat to simmer on its own, right? Now right here, I'm going to definitely go in and add some water. The water is dried out and your meat is not cooked, so that's the time you go ahead and add water. All right, but do not add too much now, all right? Now that the meat is fully cooked, it's nice and tender, you're gonna go in and add some fresh chopped seasoning in here and allow the meat to nicely simmer to gravy stage. You know, when you have in your meat, you want some gravy on that, all right? Now this is the time you add those freshness, you know, bring up that flavors a bit more. Now this is the end of my curry lamb, y'all, as usual, from my kitchen straight on your table. Now I'm gonna definitely pair this with some white rice and some roast breadfruit. Y'all, we all know that white rice goes perfect with curry. So yes, y'all, hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know what else you would like me to cook. All right, thank y'all.